This video will cover how to use Microsoft Windows 10 File Explorer. First, we're going to go ahead and open up File Explorer, and how we'll do that is we'll go down to our little bar, our menu bar at the bottom of the screen, and then we're going to go ahead and click on File Explorer. It looks like a file folder. You'll see the File Explorer open up, and by default it will open into quick access. This shows a list of files and folders that you accessed most recently. And this just makes it easier to find files that you use on a regular basis and that you used recently. So, how to navigate File Explorer? If you look on the left-hand side under Quick Access, you can then look at your desktop folder. You can click on Downloads and look at your downloads. You can click on the Documents folder and see any documents that you have, as well as folders. You can click on Pictures, see any pictures that you have saved in the Pictures folder. You can click on Music and see any music or folders that are full of music that are saved in your music folder. You can also click on the Videos folder and be able to see any videos that you have saved as well. And then below that, if you are using Microsoft OneDrive, you'll see a separate folder for that. Again, Microsoft OneDrive is a product that allows you to store files and folders in the Microsoft Office 365 cloud instead of saving them directly on your computer and on your computer only. OneDrive you can use to also save a copy of the files on your computer as well as in the cloud, but we can discuss OneDrive in another video. Right now I just want to cover File Explorer. Below OneDrive you'll see this PC. If you expand that, again, you'll be able to see a lot of the same things that we see up here. You'll be able to see your Downloads folder, your Documents folder. It's mostly redundant. We'll go ahead and close that. Right now, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to create a folder. Let's get organized. Let's organize our files into a folder so that they're easy to find. So first, let's go ahead and click on Documents. Then, let's go ahead and right-click. You're going to go to the right side of your mouse and do a right-click, and you'll see a menu pop up. You'll go to New, and then let's go up and select Folder. And ta-da! A new folder just popped up. So you'll see that the words New Folder are highlighted in blue. You can now start typing the name of the folder. You can name it whatever you want. I'm just going to call it Demo, since this is a demonstration. So we have our nice little demo folder created. Once I'm done typing the name of the folder, I'm just going to hit the Enter key. And there you go. You got a folder named Demo, or whatever you would like it to be named. To go into the folder, you just double-click the folder. And as you can see, the folder is empty. There's nothing in there. Well, let's say we want to go ahead and create a brand new file. We can do that by, again, right-clicking. And in the menu that comes up, let's go down over to New again. And let's say we want to create a new text document. Or if we want to create a Microsoft Word document, if you have Microsoft Word, you can create a Microsoft Word document. Let's go ahead and select Text Document. As you can see, it has created a new text document, again highlighted in blue. I can go ahead and name that text document whatever I like it to be. I'm just going to call it Demo Text Document and hit Enter on my keyboard. And now I got a brand new file. So let's go ahead and open it. ta-da, we have a blank file. So what I'll do is I'll just type hello world, and then I'll save it, go up to file, and then save. And that's it. I have a text document. I'm going to go ahead and close it. And we have that text document sitting in our new demo folder. Let's say you already have some files created and you want to move them into this folder. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and go down to File Explorer again, right-click File Explorer, and then select File Explorer again, and it will open up another File Explorer window. So you can actually literally drag these windows around and move them side by side. I'm going to go ahead and click on the window I just opened. And let's say there is a file I want to move in there. Let's say I want to move this video file into this demo folder that I just created. So I'm going to go into the window that the second window I just opened, that's just showing me a list of the recent files that I opened. And I'm going to go ahead and click on that file. I'm going to go ahead and click on that file, and I'm going to hold my finger down and keep it selected, and then drag and drop it over into this other window. I'm going to drag and drop it over to the demo folder. Another method you can use to move files around is shortcut keys, and I love shortcut keys. It really makes moving files so easy. What's a shortcut key? A shortcut key is basically a key combination of like hitting more than one key on your keyboard at the same time, and the computer will do something really, really cool. So I'm just going to show you a couple shortcut keys. Actually, I'm going to show you 3 shortcut keys. I'm going to show you how to copy, how to paste, and how to cut. So I'll cover the differences between those shortcut combinations. So the first one is copy. So copy is, it will leave the file in the originating folder, but it will also basically make a copy of the folder and allow you to place that copy in yet another folder. So you'll have 2 files at the end of that. Another method is to do a cut. A cut is basically moving a file, a single file, from one location to another. And at the end of it, you still just have one file. You'll have the original file. It does not make a copy. It just is a move. That's all a cut is. And then lastly, paste. Paste is what completes the move, as it were, or the copy. It literally will do the pasting of the file or the folder in the location that you tell it to. So let's go ahead and we're going to cover those shortcut keys. So in this window right here, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to go, I think, into my pictures folder. And I am going to basically make a copy of this photo into the demo folder. I'm going to make a copy. So at the end of it, there's going to be 2 files. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And bear with me, I'm going to be filming my hand on the keyboard here real quick to show you how this works. So first, what you'll want to do is see this control key. You'll want to hold that down while you have the file selected. You'll want to hold this control key down and then hit C. And that makes the copy. Yeah, that makes the copy. Nothing will happen on your screen when you do this. So we're going to go ahead and paste it over into this demo folder, okay? So what we'll do is we're going to use our other shortcut key for paste. So the shortcut key for paste is Control V. And as you can see, it went ahead and it pasted that picture named Desktop Size over to the computer. Look at that. Isn't that cool? Okay, so that is how you do a copy and paste. Now, let's go ahead and do a move. Because the copy, it basically made it so we had two of the same exact file in two different locations, and that can get kind of cluttered. So I want to show you how to do a cut and paste, which is moving a file from one location to another, and at the end of it you still just have that one file. You did not make a copy. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. I'm going to find another file that I'm going to demonstrate this with. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to my music folder, and I'll go ahead and select on a file here. So I have this music file selected, and I'm going to go ahead and do my other shortcut key that will allow me to do the cut. So to do the cut, we're going to go and hold down that Control key again, and this time we're going to hit X for cut. Alright, nothing really happened on the screen, but that's fine. So I'm going to go ahead and paste it over into that demo folder. So I'm going to go ahead and select my demo folder, and then I'm going to go down and hit the Control key again, and then I'm going to hit V for paste, and ta-da! There it is. There's that file. So that is how you do a copy, a paste, and a cut for moving a file or a folder, and then how to paste it again. So if you have any questions on any of the shortcut keys, just let me know, but that's all we're going to do with File Explorer for today, but we'll cover some more advanced features in later videos, so stay tuned.